how to share notebook from Microsoft OneNote to others. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share notebooks from Microsoft OneNote. So let's dive right in. Go to any browser and open up your OneNote. Then, once you're done working on your notebook, you can see the share option in the top right. You just need to tap on it. You can see share entire notebook or copy link to notebook. So if you want to share entire notebook, you just need to tap on it. And then you will see option to add a name, group, or email. So you can add the email of the person whom you want to send it to. And then you can even add a message. So here you can see the pencil icon. You can tap on it and you can give just viewing access or editing access if you want to. And you can see copy link option. If you tap on copy link and send it to the person, then the person can just open it by tapping on the link. So that's it. Either you put in your email address and hit send or copy the link and send it to their messages. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.